Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete or release your Google Voice number permanently, follow these step-by-step instructions carefully. Step 1, open your web browser and go to voice.google.com. Sign into your Google account that has the Google Voice number you want to delete. Step 2, click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner to access your Google Voice settings and configuration options. Step 3, navigate to the account section or number settings where you can manage your Google Voice number and associated settings. Step 4, look for the option to delete number or release number. Understand that deleting your Google Voice number is permanent and cannot be undone. Step 5, review the consequences of deleting your number, including loss of all associated voicemails, text messages, call history, and the inability to recover the same number. Step 6, if you are certain, click Delete or Release to proceed. Google will ask you to confirm this action due to its permanent nature. Step 7, confirm the deletion by following any additional verification steps. Your Google Voice number will be immediately released and removed from your account. Step 8, after deletion, you can select a new Google Voice number, if desired, by following the number selection process again. Consider exporting important voicemails or messages before deleting your number, as all data will be permanently lost. Update any contacts or services using your Google Voice number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.